Hello, Taurus. So if you are Taurus, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. Let's see what is happening for Taurus right now. Ace of Discs. Let's see. Take the bottom and the top. The Emperor. Tower. The Princess of Wands. Look at those colors. Power. Fire. Fire energy. So, Ace of Discs. I feel like there's a decision here you guys are thinking about making. Ace of Discs is like new opportunity for money, for value, for material things, goals. Can even be wellness, could be connected all together. And then we have the Six of Discs. So you could be facing a challenge here where you feel a little bit wondering what decision you're going to make. Like there's a challenge in this decision for some reason, and this decision is going to make a big difference in your life if things go the way you want them to go. The Six of Cups, pleasure. So the Six of Cups, it could be letting go of past things. So this is a goal, like you don't want things to continue. So the Six of Cups is thinking about the past, and it's thinking about usually things that make you happy, things that make your cup full, but maybe the things that were making you happy in the past is not working right now. So you could be thinking of something specific that you want to change going forward. That's going to bring you to your goals, bring you to your, bring in money, material things, whatever, or wellness even. And it may go together, because if you feel good about what you're doing work-wise, your worth, you're going to feel good mentally, you're going to feel good physically. And so depending on your situation, Taurus, the Magus. I feel like you guys have some kind of idea or plan with this. The Magus is the magician. He's the creator. So you guys could be feeling your power to create. And there's some kind of challenging in having this happen. And I feel like you guys are doing the work to make things happen. And the Priestess, so right now you guys could be feeling quiet about things, because the Priestess, she knows, but she doesn't really put herself out there. She's kind of like quiet. She knows on the down low. So you guys could be observing things right now and not taking so much action in a specific area of whatever it is that you guys want to do. And I feel like during the process, you're going to learn something, and which is going to help you move forward with your goal, whatever it is that you guys want to bring in. And it's going to change the way you do things in the future. And you could be seeing this right now, Taurus. Then we have the Devil card. So the Devil card is all about what is limiting, what is blocking you guys. It's what we need to overcome. So I feel like you guys are going to be looking at this in the near future. You're going to be thinking about this. If there's a block or something that is limiting, if you're maybe doing something and putting your energy into something that is not, it's only good temporarily, but not good in the long run. So this could be with money, this could be with food, this could be with not doing enough of something or doing too much of something that is not being productive. So that's what this card is about. It's like what's holding you prisoner, what's holding you back from moving forward in your goals. So you could be thinking about this, and I feel like you guys want to overcome this and are going to overcome this. I feel like you guys are feeling determined to overcome whatever obstacle is getting in the way. The Nine of Discs, gains. I feel like with this card, you guys really have a lot of knowledge of what you guys do. It's like whatever you guys are interested in, you find out a lot about it, and you just have this like inner knowing of how to do it right. I feel like you guys are really good at making like business decisions. I feel like you guys see a plan and know how you want to do it, and if there's just some things in between that you want to figure out. The Six of Swords. figuring it out, science. How are you going to do this to get past? And again, you have the 6 here, you have the 6 here. The 6 of Swords is like moving past from hard times, like leaving that behind you. And so you mentally, you are safe. And the 6 of Cups is, you know, thinking about the past, maybe letting it go. What made you happy before maybe may not be working out, so you could be moving on and doing things different in the future, or changing something, a new idea, something that is going to push you maybe to make a change. So there could be things coming up that could be causing a little discomfort, because you guys could be feeling very comfortable with how things have been in the past, but I feel like you guys are aware of this, and so I feel like you guys could need a change, and see that there's a change here that you guys want, but it's a little bit uncomfortable. But I feel like you guys have this with the 2 of Wands, division. I feel like you guys know this and feel this, whatever this is. And there's a desire there that's starting for whatever you want, because there's a new thing here. There's an opportunity for something, so you're feeling this. So you had a plan. You're kind of just like sitting back and watching right now, observing, learning, getting your information, and not taking action. But I feel like you guys are seeing the action, and finding out which way you want to go, which path you want to take with a specific goal in your situation. And then we have the Chariot. The Chariot means that things are going to be moving in the near future. The Chariot means like success and a movement usually, and it's usually after a while of trying to do something that things will start moving. The Chariot usually means that, you know, after all this time doing all this work or whatever it is, focusing on your goals, and maybe not seeing things happen, is that in the near future something is going to be moving for you guys, Taurus. And then we have the Emperor and the Princess of Wands. And with these 2 cards, I feel like this is your energy. It's like you feel very strong about what you guys see and what you guys want to do. I feel like you guys have the power to do pretty much whatever it is that you guys put your heart into and your energy into. And I feel like you guys have this like passion, determination for whatever it is that you guys love, whatever you're drawn to, whatever you feel your heart is drawn to doing when it comes to your goals. And you guys want to do it right. Like, you guys don't want to do it wrong. And this is your energy here. And this is very important for you guys, especially because your worth is what makes you guys stay grounded and stable and strong. Like, this is where, like, your foundation. So this is very important to the self, like what you guys feel of yourselves, your self-value, your worth, and to be comfortable when it comes to having financial security, having being able to comfortably do something if you want to, and also feeling well, healthy. So I feel like this is very big, these energies, this fire energy, this desire for you guys to have success. It's just, if there is something that you need to change where you're putting your energy into, or block, it's something that needs to be overcome for things to move. And I feel like you're going to be doing something to change the way you've done things in the past. So there's a decision here, a path, which way you're going to go here. So I wish you guys well. Things look like they're going to be moving for you guys soon, Taurus. Take care.